Piaget's theory of cognitive development. Piaget was a Swiss psychologist who made one of the most influential contributions to developmental psychology and educational theory. He was particularly interested in understanding how children think and how their thinking changes as they grow. Piaget proposed that children are not passive learners who simply absorb information. Instead, they actively construct knowledge by interacting with their environment. According to Piaget, cognitive development occurs through a process in which children build mental structures called schemas and continuously modify these structures as they encounter new experiences. To understand Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, we must first understand three important concepts: schema, assimilation, and accommodation. These concepts explain how children organize knowledge and adapt to new experiences as they grow. Let us take a look at this slide. A schema is a mental framework or structure that helps a person organize and interpret information. In simple terms, schemas are like mental folders in the brain that store knowledge about objects, actions, and experiences. For example, a young child may develop a schema for a dog. The child might think that a dog is an animal with 4 legs, fur, and a tail. Whenever the child encounters a new dog, they recognize it easily because it fits into their existing dog schema. Let us take a look at this slide. Assimilation occurs when a child interprets new information using an existing schema. In other words, the child tries to fit new experiences into what they already know. For example, if a child who knows what a dog looks like sees a cow for the first time, they might call it a dog because it also has 4 legs. The child is assimilating the new animal into their existing schema of a dog. Assimilation helps children understand new experiences quickly, but sometimes it can lead to incorrect assumptions. Let us take a look at this slide. When new information does not fit into an existing schema, the child must modify or create a new schema. This process is called accommodation. Continuing the previous example, when the child learns that the animal they saw is actually a cow, not a dog, they adjust their understanding. The child now forms a new schema for cows, recognizing that cows are different from dogs. Accommodation allows children to refine their knowledge and develop more accurate understanding of the world. Let us take a look at this slide. He suggested that children's thinking develops through 4 universal stages, each characterized by different ways of understanding the world. These stages are the sensory-motor stage, the pre-operational stage, the concrete operational stage, and the formal operational stage. Let us now explore each of these stages of cognitive development. The sensory-motor stage is the first stage in Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development and occurs from birth to about 2 years of age. During this period, infants learn about the world primarily through their senses and physical actions. At this stage, babies explore their environment by seeing, touching, hearing, tasting, and moving objects. Simple actions such as grasping toys, shaking rattles, or crawling toward objects help them understand how things work. One of the most important achievements of this stage is the development of object permanence. This refers to the understanding that objects continue to exist even when they cannot be seen. For example, when a toy is hidden under a cloth, a child in this stage gradually learns to search for it because they understand that the toy still exists. The pre-operational stage is the second stage in Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development and occurs roughly between the ages of 2 and 7 years. During this stage, children begin to develop language, imagination, and symbolic thinking. Children start using symbols to represent objects in ideas. For example, a child may use a stick as a pretend sword or imagine that a toy is a real person during play. This stage is therefore characterized by imaginative and pretend play. However, children in the pre-operational stage are not yet capable of logical reasoning. Their thinking is often egocentric, meaning they find it difficult to see situations from another person's perspective. Another important feature of this stage is the lack of conservation, which means children may believe that changing the appearance of something changes its quantity. For instance, if water from a short glass is poured into a taller glass, they may think the taller glass contains more water. Overall, the pre-operational stage marks a period where children's thinking becomes more expressive and symbolic, but it is still intuitive rather than logical. The concrete operational stage is the third stage in Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development and typically occurs between the ages of 7 and 11 years. During this stage, children begin to develop logical thinking, but their reasoning is mainly applied to concrete objects and real-life situations. Children at this stage become capable of performing mental operations, which means they can think through problems in a logical and organized way. One key development is the understanding of conservation, the idea that quantity remains the same even when the shape or appearance of an object changes. For example, they understand that the amount of water stays the same even if it is poured into a different shaped container. Children also develop abilities such as classification and seriation. Classification allows them to group objects based on common characteristics, while seriation helps them arrange objects in order, such as from smallest to largest. Another important improvement is the reduction of egocentric thinking. Children begin to understand different viewpoints and recognize that others may think differently from them. The concrete operational stage represents a significant advancement in logical and organized thinking, although this reasoning is still tied to tangible and concrete experiences. The formal operational stage is the fourth and final stage in Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development and typically begins around the age of 11 years and continues into adulthood. During this stage, individuals develop the ability to think in abstract, logical, and systematic ways. Unlike earlier stages, thinking is no longer limited to concrete objects or direct experiences. Adolescents can now understand abstract concepts such as justice, freedom, morality, and scientific reasoning. A key characteristic of this stage is hypothetical deductive reasoning, which means individuals can think about possible solutions to a problem and test these possibilities logically. For example, they can form hypotheses, predict outcomes, and analyze different possibilities before reaching a conclusion. Individuals at this stage also develop the ability to engage in metacognition or thinking about their own thinking processes. They can reflect on ideas, evaluate arguments, and consider multiple perspectives. Overall, the formal operational stage represents the development of advanced reasoning abilities, enabling individuals to solve complex problems and think about situations that are theoretical, abstract, or hypothetical. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you understand how children think and learn at different stages of development. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like the video. Your support helps the channel reach more learners and educators. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what topic you would like to see next. Your suggestions will help shape future videos on this channel. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.